Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create lists in MailerLite. Lists are essential for organizing your email subscribers into specific groups, making it easier to send targeted campaigns and manage your audience effectively. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your MailerLite dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Now that you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Subscribers. This section is where you'll manage all your contacts and organize them into different groups. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Groups. This is where the magic happens for list creation. Here's something important to understand. In MailerLite, creating a group is essentially the same as creating a list. So when you see the term group, think of it as your subscriber list. With that in mind, click on Create Group. This button will open up a new window where you can start building your list. You'll now see a field asking you to input a group name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of this list, whether it's for a specific campaign, customer segment, or newsletter audience. Once you've entered your group name, click Create. Your new group will be generated and added to your list of groups. After creating the group, located in your group's overview, you'll see an option to view group next to the group you just created. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the detailed page for your group where you can manage subscribers and settings. On the group page, look for the button labeled Add Subscribers and click it. This is where you'll start populating your list with contacts. You'll be presented with different options for adding subscribers to your group. For this tutorial, we're going to import contacts from a file. Click on the upload icon to import a CSV or TXT file. This method is perfect if you already have a list of contacts saved on your computer. Select your file and then click Import Subscribers. MailerLite will begin processing your file, and this might take a moment depending on the size of your list. Once the file is uploaded, you'll be taken to a field mapping page. Here you need to adjust all the columns for each field. This ensures that the information from your file, like names, email addresses, and other details, is correctly matched to the corresponding fields in MailerLite. Take your time with this step to avoid any errors in your subscriber data. After you've aligned everything properly, click Finish Import. MailerLite will finalize the process and add all your subscribers to the group. And that's it. You've successfully created and populated a list in MailerLite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.